One bright sunny morning, Hamza and Abdullah decide to go to their neighbor park. It is Sunday in Watford. In high spirit, they stop outside the park to buy some tandoori from small shop near the gate. They then enter the park, happily eating and chatting until. How are you?
I am fine.
How about you?
I am also.
You should not throw ice cream wrapper on the ground, Hamza.
Why should not everyone trash around here?
If we want a clean and beautiful Pakistan, we should try and make it one.
But Abdullah, throwing a single weapon will not making any difference.
It will, if we are throwing a single pieces of trash, it will soon create a rough shape in the park. Therefore, we must follow the park rules. Have I protect our public place.
Park use? What park use?
Come with me.
I never noticed that before.
City park rules. You must not write and draw